question for you, and it's so nice being outside. If you're a beginner English learner, English speaker, what do you say when somebody says thank you? Do you say you're welcome? Have you ever heard you bet? Thank you. You bet. It's very common here in the U.S. But there's another way you can say you're welcome instead of saying you're welcome. Do you know? It's by using word stress. So if somebody says thank you, you can say thank you. That means you are really thanking them back, right? So you stress the you. Thank you. Thank you. That's another way of saying you're welcome. And here, where I'm at, it's very popular for people to say, when you say thank you, they say, you bet. You bet. That's it.